Hello everyone, welcome to Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services. And I welcome you all to the learning series via News in Focus. Today's topic of discussion is bit important and relevant directly for the prelims examination. We're talking about International Criminal Code. This is there in news, and UPSC tend to ask questions from the important international organization. This will be relevant for CSC and even for the CAPF examination that you'll be appearing for. So today's topic will see the important aspects of the International Criminal Code, its establishment and its functioning. So let's get started with the details. So first and foremost, why we are discussing this news? See, Armenia Parliament has recently voted to join International Criminal Code. So Armenia, the first name is important for many other government examination. There can be a direct question asking you about the name of the country. Now for CSC prelims, if it is Armenia, there is a news. You need to know about the map work. कौन कौन से ऐसे adjacent countries हैं जो अर्मीनिया के आसपास है. So first we'll see Turkey is the country, then we have Georgia, then we have Russia, right? उसके साथ साथ Azerbaijan is something that is also related. We have Iran also. So many a times there is questions related to neighboring countries, arrangement of the countries accordingly. और इस कंटेक्स्ट में ये सारी चीज़ें आपको जानना ज़रूरी है. एंड इवन नाकारो एंड कार्बगा विच इज़ देयर इन द न्यूज़, डिस्प्यूटेड एरियाज काफ़ी न्यूज़ में रहे हैं, तो इस चीज़ों को भी ध्यान में रखते हुए इट बिकम इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द मैप वर्क. नाउ विल सी द डिटेल्स अबाउट द इंटरनेशनल क्रिमिनल कोड. क्या है ये कोड, हाउ डज इट फंक्शन? इट्स अ इंटरनेशनल ट्राइब्यूनल स्टैब्लिश टू प्रोसिक्यूट the most serious offenses. ये offenses किस किस तरह के हैं? First, it include the genocide, right? So genocide is taken into consideration. Then criminal case against humanity, war crime, and the crime of aggression. So these are the important crime which is taken care. I mean इसके जो resolutions है, जो appellate है, वो international criminal court के पास में. It was established by a Rome Statute. So this is important. I mean if you're writing in mains also, you can specifically highlight about the Rome Statute, which was there adopted in 1998, entering into the force in 2002. Its headquarters is based in Hague in Netherlands. For many comparative examination for state PTS, in the state PCS examination, the direct headquarters is also asked in the prelims questions. So you can check out this as well. Now, moving ahead with the crimes that is under the jurisdiction, I have given you the brief. First is genocide. Genocide के अंदर it acts as intending and to destroy the national, ethnic, racial और अगर religious group के बीच में clashes हुई हैं उस cases को. Crimes against humanity, that is widespread attack against any civilian that is there. War crime, that is the serious violations of law and custom of the war. When we are discussing this term, it is very important for you to know what does this term actually mean. Crimes again, the crime of aggression, that is planning, initiation, executions, or the act of aggression by person in a position or power. So this is how the crimes under the jurisdiction of international court is taken into consideration. Now, the other point that you should take a note of is about the parties. There can be a direct questions about the parties which is there in the Rome Statute. So a total of 123 countries are party to the Rome Statute, which include countries like China, Ethiopia, India, Indonesia, Iraq, North Korea, सऊदी अरेबिया एंड टर्की. तो इंडिया यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको पता होना चाहिए इंडिया इज अ मेंबर. और कोई भी ऐसे कंट्री जो कि न्यूज़ में रही है, even for any reason, you should know that these countries are there or not, right? So this is important. You should know at least the country which is there in the limelight. Several dozen countries are also signed the statute, but their legislature has never rectified it. These countries include Egypt, Iran, Israel, Russia, Sudan, Syria, and United States, right? So why I'm asking you to know the countries which is there in limelight. अभी आपने यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स को काफ़ी ज़्यादा लाइमलाइट में देखा है, रशिया और यूक्रेन लाइमलाइट में रही है बिकॉज ऑफ द वॉर. तो आपसे पूछा जा सकता है whether रशिया इज एक्चुअली द पार्ट ऑफ ट्रीटी, whether पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्रीज दैट इज देयर ऑन द ट्रीटी और नॉट. तो ये सारे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट मेंबर कंट्रीज हैं जिनके लिए आपको लिए जानना ज़रूरी है. दिस कैन बी डायरेक्टली रेलिवेंट इन द प्रीलिम्स एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो. Now, whatever we have discussed, we can conclude this in one image. So you can see the first permanent court was set up for the accused person of war crime, crime against humanity and genocide. 123 members हैं मैंने आपको बताया. And US President Trump has been ordering June 2011 जहाँ पे sanctions की बात की गई है for the prosecutions and the court was there against the crime in Afghanistan. Right? तो treaty के कुछ important चीजें हैं जो country ने rectify किया है नहीं किया है उस country के color code यहाँ पे mention है. It was created in 2002. January 2003 में court start beginning working. The organization is based in Hague in Netherlands. Currently the judges are 18. This is a total strength and these are details about the countries, right? So these were some of the basics about the International Criminal Court जो कि न्यूज़ में रही है तो इसलिए आपको ये बेसिक्स जानना ज़रूरी है. This was all about for the International Criminal Court. We'll meet in the next session with some of the important topic relevant for the examination. For time being, I'm signing off. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stay connected.